okay, I know it's not Portuguese food. I'm at a Nepalese Indian restaurant. Just thought I'd try it for a change because I ran into some Bangladeshis who are living in Portugal and they invited me to join them. Sasha over there because there wasn't any room on the table because I had to do a couple of things before I got here. But for starters, anyway, here's some momos. Thought I'd try them. I've never had momos before in a restaurant, only home cooked ones. So I'll try one here. Have a closer look at that. Some sauce with it. And a little bit of salad as well. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. It's chicken. And the place I'm at is at Yarsagumba. I can never remember the place. It's in Zona Velha part of Madeira, the old town. Oh my goodness, that is fabulous. Right, main course is next. And that's what Alonso and Lottie have chosen. What was it? Lamb tikka masala and mango chicken with garlic naan and fried rice. So here's my main course. Lamb jalfrezi. Look at that. Wow. You can see bits of ginger in it too. And I love the way that they've served it on one of these. I'm not too sure the name of them. Shame on me for not knowing since my family trade is in Indian restaurants. And I just went for simple steamed or boiled rice, basmati. So I'll pour it all on. I don't want it bit by bit like some people do. And I'll do the same with the curry. Lob it all on. Right. The taste test. I can taste the tomato flavouring. Subtle spices in it. Lamb, not too chewy. And that has passed my test. Delicious. Right, you can leave me in peace now. And here's some information about the name of the restaurant, Yarsagumba. So you know what to do, hit the pause button and read it in your own time. So basically it's an expensive fungus. By the way, people, today is Freedom Day in Portugal and it looks like a military band just up ahead, so we'll take a closer look at that. And here they are raising the flag for Portugal, or rather folding up the flag for Portugal, because I missed the moment when they had it all out. And here's a crowd which was stood watching this momentous occasion who are now dispersing. And here's another statue of Joao Gonzalez Zarco, the man who discovered Madeira. So as I'm walking through Rua da Carreira, I thought I'd bring this to your attention. Right up above there, back in September 2017, I took a photo of a lady peeping out the window, and I will insert it right now. So this spot has fond memories. And also, I took another photo down this street here. So that you can see right now. And I'm wandering around the streets of Funchal, and I've met another Bangladeshi brother. His name is Naeem. Pleased to meet you, Naeem.
Nice to meet you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
And I made him subscribe to my channel. No, he did it of his own accord. And the name of this shop is Josna Souvenirs. It's not too far actually from the Ritz. So I will put some details in the description below as and when. So thank you, Mr. Naeem. It was very lovely to have met you. Muito obrigado.
Nice to meet you.
Dhanyabad. Thank you. Don't forget. Also, this is a spot worth checking out, which is opposite the Ritz. It's a municipal park, and it's slap bang in the middle of the city, and it is lovely and has a cafe. I saw them, they had a meal deal, steak and fries, and a glass of sangria only $9.95. That was back there. And just in front of me there, beyond those yellow taxis, that is the famous Ritz. And here's the Madeira sign, which was installed here a couple of years ago on Avenue de Mar. I absolutely love the fonts and the colours of it. And the dome on that cafe, it looks almost Islamic. And the memorial to Nelson Mandela. And just to the left of it, there's some bananas waiting to be ripened, because I bet you as soon as they're yellow, they'll be swiped.
No more bananas.
And I believe this is a stall where they make pina coladas out of actual pineapples, and they actually serve it in the pineapple itself, as seen care of Jeff from Hit the Road Tours. And there are the prices. So they've been kind enough to give me a sample. And what are your names?
I'm Eric.
Eric?
Venezuela.
Oh, you're from Venezuela?
Yes. My name is Oswald.
Oswald?
Yes.
Pleased to meet you. Okay, so I'm going to try this and tell you what I think. That is delicious, so refreshing. You will find these gentlemen here on Avenue de Mar with the pineapples, as you can see there. Hi folks, I'm back again at Praia de Santiago, which I was at last year, and I'm going to do something different. I am going to take a sunset dip. I've never done this sort of thing before, so why not? Because I'm here in Madeira. I don't know how cold the water's going to be. So let's see. Going down the steps here. Hopefully the water's not too wild. But I'll just take my first step in. Oh, bit of algae on the steps. Ooh, it's nippy. I have to do it. I have to do this. And just look at that glorious sunset happening over yonder. Wow, isn't that amazing? Ooh. Now, as you well know, I'm not the strongest swimmer, so I've got to build up my confidence again. So I better put these on. I'll just wade it a little bit deeper. If I fall in, it's on me. Oh, oh, shh. Oh, that's cold. Well, I've got to do this. Oh, right. Let's go. Ooh, I did it. I did it. You saw underwater what it looked like. Oh, the current is catching me. Oh, it's carrying me away. I better get back. I better get back. Okay. Oh, I'm falling in. Didn't mean that to happen. Oh, I think the current is stronger than I thought. Ended up swallowing a little bit of water. Oh, right. That will do for me this evening. Oh. So, you got your entertainment for this vlog. Gotta find the steps now. Here we go. Trying to avoid this algae. And that sunset is getting better and better, as you can see as I pan the camera around. So that is just about it from me, Roo, here at Praia de Santiago. Thank you for joining me so far in this Madeira vlog. Hope you've got a few laughs out of it at my expense. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. So until the next one, you all take care, have a good week, and bye. Whew. So this is Zona Velha, Old Town Funchal, during the blue hour. So to calm my nerves, I had to have a poncha, and obviously at Santiago Beach Bar, where it was famous for Alonso ordering the pineapple poncha, he's right there with me. Decided to come to bar number 2. I'm going to try their mint poncha, which I've not seen before. So here goes. That is a hit, and you can really taste the fresh mint in it. Saúde, as they say. And that's what Charlotte, and that's, and I bet you as soon as these bananas ripen, there'll be none left, because